Dan the Firestick Man here, your source for entertainment. I'm going to jump right into this subject, which is the Ethernet adapters for your Firestick. Now, I've made two previous videos. The Ethernet cables that I used for that were capped at 100 megabytes per second. For those of you that don't know, it's basically the internet speed coming from your internet provider. Some of you are paying for 200, 400, 1,000 megabytes with your cable provider, but then I made a video that when you hooked up Ethernet-wise, it capped it. It limited you to about 100, 98, 99, 100 megabytes. So if you're paying for 200 and there's a cable that's supposed to give you a better connection, but it limits you to how much internet speed you got to about 100, then it really doesn't benefit you. You're better off doing it Wi-Fi where you get more speed. So I made those videos and I stated that the Ethernet adapter, in my opinion, is garbage. You shouldn't waste your money on it, especially if you're paying for speeds 200, 300 plus. I got a lot of feedback from that video telling me, hey, that's capped at 100. That's why you're not getting those speeds. I wasn't aware of that when I made that video, so I apologize on my next video. I apologize and told you guys, I'm sorry, I made a mistake. My bad. Here's the test. For those of you that have internet speeds that are less than 100 from your internet provider to begin with, then that Ethernet cable is beneficial to you guys because you're not getting anything more than 100 anyway. So having a steady connection by connecting it to the Ethernet cable, you're going to have a better response. So I did correct that on that second video. But this third video is completely different. This is going to benefit everybody all the way around, especially with the test that I'm about to show you. The Ethernet cable that I found this on Amazon. Is not by Amazon. It's a third party called Cable Matters. Okay? And they state that their Ethernet cable is capped at 480 megabytes per second, which even if you're paying 1,000 with like AT&T or any of the other cable providers, getting 400 plus with this Ethernet cable is still a win when it comes to the Firestick. A big win. I mean, a huge win. I can't stress that enough. Even if you're paying for 1,000 and you get about 400 with this thing, you are winning because having an Ethernet connection to any device, laptops, computers, Firesticks in this case, will benefit you because you have less interruptions. Wi-Fi signals interrupt all the time. The modem stops communicating with the router. You have issues, with something in your kitchen, your microwave, a bunch of different things that can interfere with that signal. Well, you're not going to have that problem if you're connected directly to that modem or router through an Ethernet cable, and this adapter makes that happen for you. So I'm about to show you a test. Now, the first thing I'm going to tell you is the quality of this video is not going to be like you see the rest of this video because my router is located in my master bedroom and I could not get the cable to all the way to my office to make the video and show it to you all fancy. So I did record it with my cell phone, but it's the same concept. You're going to see me doing a speed test on the Firestick without the Ethernet adapter, doing a straight Wi-Fi, and you're going to see one with the Ethernet cable attached to it. And here is the results that we'll continue talking right after you see this. Right now, this is without the Ethernet cable attached to it. So we're going to do a speed test. And as you can see on the upper left-hand side there, it says connected Wi-Fi. My internet speed is currently 400 megabytes per second with Spectrum. I'm getting a reading of 278 down. And we're getting 20 up. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and do the speed test with the Ethernet adapter connected. And I'm going to go back in. And as you can see on the upper left-hand side, it says wired Ethernet. And that is impressive. 345 down. And 21 up. That is a good reading. There it is, guys. 278 download speed just via Wi-Fi, which is an excellent speed on its own. But getting a whopping 345 down and a 21, 22 upload on that Ethernet adapter, that's excellent. Excellent. I am very impressed with this speed. I'm very impressed with this Ethernet cable. I highly recommend it. Now, of course, there's the exception. So you guys, you have to have your router or modem nearby your Fire Stick, okay? Or you're gonna have to get a cable long enough, but you don't want anything going across the house. But you know, some of you have your modem and router right next to your television, right there on your living room or your master bedroom, wherever the case may be, and it's easy for you to run a cable from that router or modem into your Fire Stick. Then you need to get one of these, because it's really great. Again, the advantages of it, it's having less interruptions with your internet signal, especially if you are getting a lot of issues with it. If you are having constant interruptions, you have to reset your modem and router, you have to reset your Fire Stick. The Fire Stick constantly jumps from 5G to 2.4 on its own, and you have to restart everything to get it back to 5G. But your modem and router are nearby. This adapter will benefit you. Now, if you're getting less than 100 speeds, yes, you can go with the other adapters. This adapter right now is priced at $16 to Amazon. You're going to have the link to this adapter in the description of this video. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give you the link to everything that I have here. That is it, guys. That is my video. I highly recommend it. I hope this clears up any previous videos that I made. I hope that you guys accepted my apology video for making some mistakes on the first one. And I thank you guys, because your comments set me straight. And here I am on this path for better and greater things, because I am definitely going to leave this adapter connected to my master bedroom Fire Stick, because man, it is great. Again, every other Fire Stick that I got around the house, Wi-Fi with this particular router that I have works excellent. I don't really have any issues, but why not get a steady, firm connection, especially on my master bedroom where I watch most of my TV with my wife. So there it is. I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget, guys, if you haven't seen my other video about supporting this channel, I really need you to subscribe to my gaming channel that I have with my son in order to keep this one running, because YouTube is attacking me and dropping videos like flies on here. I don't know how much longer I'll be here, but you guys can support this channel since I'm not being really monetized here with my gaming channel. I'll leave the link in the description as well for that. Jump over there, subscribe, like one or two of my videos. That's all I really need you to do. And that's it. Thank you guys again for watching. I am Dan, the Fire Stick Man. I'm excited. Even though YouTube tries to drop me and take me out of here, I'm excited because I got you guys to support me. So Dan, the Fire Stick Man, your source for entertainment. Until the next video, happy streaming.